Hey guys, in this video I will show you some of my birds because that's the title of this film, and I wanted really to make the separate video for this. So let's start. I've made a lot of owls till now, but it's a different and it's a bit scary, I think. It's not as cute as the previous one, but it's just a different. So yeah. I have also another owl. I think it's my favorite bird apart from raven, and that is also cute. Just purple owl with some yellow wings and orange beak. Yeah, and another owl, and it's truly different. In different 300 from all the others. I don't know. It has really big, huge eyes, and I think it's a sad owl. I don't know why, but it looks in this way. So anyway, now I've got some colorful parrots, and they are just lovely. And here's a couple, I think, because I really want to use them as earrings. Maybe they are a bit too large, but I think they can look really good on yours. So next I've got another parrot. You can check the tutorial on it because I've made it before. And the red parrot with some blue wings. I added on each the branch because I think it looks really great, with a little leaf also added. And the last parrot with orange wing and some blue yellow head. So actually I've made 4 kinds of parrots, and I'm really curious which one is your favorite. I have also parrot feathers. They can be also used as earrings. So that's all from the birds for today, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.